Welcome back, guys. I hope everyone's having a good day so far. I'm Mr. Short. You're here for Eureka Math Squared, fourth grade, module 4, lesson 20. Hey, I want to thank everyone for the subscribers. Those numbers are jumping up. We're trying to get to that 250 so my class can get their first reward. Thanks for helping out with that. They're really excited about that happening. All right, let's get to today's lesson. We're on pages 123 and 124. Subtract. Use a number line to represent the subtraction. So we have 1 minus 2/8. So remember, we see this as eighths, so we know over here this 1 is the same as 8 over 8, because 8 over 8 is 1. So we need 8 spaces in here. We already have 1. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we have 1 minus 2/8. So we need to jump back 2 spots. 1, 2. So now we know our number, right? This is it, but we got to figure it out. So this is 1 over 8, 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4 over 8, 5 over 8, 6 over 8, 7 over 8, and then we have our 8 over 8. Why I wrote it up there, I really don't know, but I did. All right, and yes, I know my handwriting is not the best. I need to slow down, but I can read it. Hopefully you can read it. So over here we went back 2. We landed on 6/8. It's also the same as if you show 8 over 8 minus 2 over 8. The bottoms are the same, so we don't worry about those. At the top we have 8 minus 2. What's 8 minus 2? It's 6. 6, so we know it is 6/8. All right. Now the next one, they're trying to get a little trickier. So I'll help with this one, but down here for 3 and 4, I'm not helping. Okay. They give you 1 and 2. We're working with sixth. So with 1, we're already at 6/6. With 2, we'd be at what? That's where it gets a little trickier. What would we be at with 2? With 2, we would be at 12 over 6. Right? Because 12 divided by 6 is 2. That gives us our 2. 6 plus 6 is 12. So that's what we're looking at. So we need 6 spaces in here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 spaces. All right. So we're going to do 2 minus 5, 6. Well, this one's kind of funky to say, but we're already at 1 here. So we're 2 here, we're going to go back. So if we write out the subtraction for this one, 2, it's going to be 12 over, there's something under the paper right there. Minus 5 over 6 equals, we know it's over 6. Here, we want to go back 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So if we got this, this would be 7, 6, 8, 6, 9, 6, 10, 6, 11, 6, and then there's 12, 6. So we go back, we land on 7, 6 here. We have 12 minus 5 is 7. So you can write 7, 6 here, or you can write 1 and 1, 6. Why would that be 1 and 1, 6? Because 7, 6, which is what we land on, we're at 1 right here, right? There's 1. And we went up 1 more 6. And if you take and divide 7 by 6, you get 1 with a remainder of 1. So you put the 1 over the 6. All right, I hope that makes sense. Remember, how many times can 6 go into 7? 1 time. How much is left? 1, and you put that over 6. So you can show it this way or show it this way, whichever one makes you happy. If we actually want to write that a different way too, I'll do it one more way down here. We can say 1 and 6 over 6, because this is still 2, right? Minus 5 over 6. We just converted part of that, right? So now we're still going to equals 1, because we don't have a whole number to subtract. Now we do 6 minus 5 is 1 over 6. So there's 3 different ways you could do that one. Hopefully one of those works for you. The 1 you can put over here right away because you know you don't need it after you convert this. All right, you have 1 and 8/12, or 1 minus 8/12, and you have 2 minus 4/6. You guys are on your own with that one. Hopefully this part here is enough to get you through that. Just remember, this is how many pieces you need, and this is how many pieces you need. And this one's 2. Don't mess up on that one. That one is 2. Let's look on the back on page 124. It says, Miss Wong surveys her students about their favorite fruits. The tally chart shows the results of the survey. Use this data in the chart to draw a scaled picture graph. So they want a picture graph, which means they just want a bunch of pictures. They want to see pictures. So you can draw little people for pictures. If you want, just make a new one, right? Make a whole new thing, set it up, and they just want to see pictures. You could say 1 person equals 2 students. If you want, you could have 1 equals 1 student. You really only need to write it's different if you're going to do more than 1. If you want to draw, be a little fancier, that's fine. But all a picture graph is you're drawing pictures, not using tally marks. That's all it is. So you could draw almost this exact same one and put people in there. Usually you're going to stack them on top of each other, going up to show how many people. But that one's up to you. Have some fun with this one. Make it colorful. Make it exciting. All right, guys. That's it for me on this one. I'm Mr. Short. This is Eureka Math Squared, 4th grade, Module 4, Lesson 20. Homework help, subtracting fractions. I hope this helped. I hope you are understanding this. I hope I'm helping you. Hopefully I'm helping you. That's my goal by doing this. So let me know if there's something else you need. I'm going to try to do some shorts here pretty soon, just showing certain ways how to do it. Maybe we'll call it shorts. I don't know. I got to work on that. Hey, if you got an idea what I should call it, let me know. Put it in the comments. All right. Have a good night.